Add the image or video you want to apply this effect on. Then set the duration to 1 sec or more if you want the effect for longer. Then duplicate it. Make it overlay. Then place it over the first object. Then go to Adjust and Follow Me. Select Graph. Now watch carefully. That's it now, we are half done. Now watch carefully. We are so close. Now go to Effect Search Neon and select it. Now adjust it to 50 or 60. Now go to Object and select Overlay. Now export it.